Uh, hello, guys. This is Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, back with another 3 a.m. voiceover. So forgive any ramblings at this moment. I only have a cup of chai tea. I didn't make coffee. Today in this video, we are upcycling one of my caddies that I have just kind of laying in a purse right now. This one is a old Avon caddy. I did do Avon for quite a bit of time, and I have a lot of stuff. So I am trying to upcycle and use as much stuff as I can. I have given away a lot of stuff actually though. But anyway, this one was a purse insert, and it was for like holding makeup and everything in it, but we are going to use it for our stationery caddy. My not highlighter, my ruler down the bottom that I end up losing after I filmed this video, but I found it. All I had to do was watch this video. Anyway, okay, what I'm trying to show you guys in this clip is that the bag has these dividers that you can make your own configuration with. The dividers, you can double them up, you can use them single. Right now I still have the dividers, like in real time, I still have the dividers like that. You'll see that I use the one divider. I use the one divider in this video the way it's being shown. There's a quick flip through before I forget to mention it of the long-term journal. We'll have another video about that coming up again. Anyway, back to the dividers. I've left the dividers the way that they are in this video, and I have an extra little something in the one divider that I wanted to keep kind of like its own little pocket for. So, it's a gosh, I just blanked on what the word is. It's a correction tape package. So I have it in its own little thing. That pencil case is still in that divider sleeve, just like that. And I've used it several times since this video I filmed. So I'm going to start putting in my journals. I put in that long-term goals one first. Of course, this is our current bullet journal for the year 2022, our Scribbles That Matter. This one is our 2021 for reference. There's a tiny flip through, guys, for you guys. I did not film a flip through this year. If you guys are wanting that, I can still do it, but I did not do one yet. Last year it didn't get a lot of views, so I just was like, okay, well, I'm just not going to do it at the moment, but if you guys want it, I will do it. And then my moon journal, my moon phase journal, manifestation journal, whichever title you guys would rather me refer to it as, let me know in the comments. I know it's kind of an interesting topic, and it's a topic that I'm going to be sharing more about. I don't know how much more I'll show inside of that journal, but I do have a craft coming up that I want to film for you guys, and I think it'll be fun. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys are interested in that, we'll leave it below. If you guys are not interested in that, tell me. Let me know, guys. I have been debating making a second channel about that kind of earthy, more elemental earthy, and you know, the vibes. So if you guys want more of those videos but don't feel it's the right place to have it on my existing channel, let me know, because I've been toying with the idea of creating a second channel for that stuff. So we're already almost at the end of the video, so we're doing some of these cutesy little erasers, and I'm trying to get some of those awesome TikTok vibes. So we're putting in all of the spares. At this moment in time, I found two more of those little boxes. I found a strawberry milk and a white milk. So I did put my erasers in the front. They are still there. I put my pens in the back, and you guys did see that I had a pack of the Young Living aroma rings. I do like that product, and I usually keep a box handy. I have one in my work bag, so the one I put in this bag is my backup. So you guys saw my microphone that I'm using right now. It did not break. What happened was, in the video that I thought that my microphone had broken, I guess it was my driver for my whole audio thing. It deleted itself, so me and my husband had to fix that. So now it's back. My microphone was never broken in the first place. So this is basically what I have. Back to the video. That pocket, this pocket, I ended up putting something, I put my eraser, my whiteout thing in there. So anyway, I'm gonna blank on these words, but this is what I have. This is the Caddy, how I've been using it, and it has been functional so far. It's been about 2-3 days since I did this video, and I feel that it works perfectly for my needs. Here is a sissy shot, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.